Last day of Cycle Jamaica. Talk about the ride. How was it?
We didn't ride today, but all of the other rides have been amazing. The storm is actually an amazing event. The rides are well supervised, the SAG, the police escorts, everything's amazing.
Great time. I struggled on some hills, but I got, what were they calling it?
A push.
Well, it was a push, but it was a great time.
Awesome.
Moving up the hard hills.
Did you guys have a highlight at all during the whole trip?
I think the camaraderie of all the cyclists and the support from all the cyclists.
Absolutely. Wonderful support.
All of the tours have been fun. The bike party last night was amazing.
It's our second time, so we'll be back next year for a third time.
Yeah.
Why did you decide to come back? What about the actual events brought you back a second time?
Had such a great time, and everybody's so welcoming, and you just feel like this is where you're supposed to be. With everybody here, we brought a lot of our family with us, our cycle family, so it's a good time.
I also think the fact that there's something for everyone at every level.
Yes.
There are different groups and the support. There's the SAG, the ambulances, the police escorts, every group. I think it's
Amazing.
It's for everybody, even for just a chill ride.
So last question for you guys. So cycling is something that's obviously important in your life. Why do you love cycling?
Health, for my health. It's my way of just getting out there and leaving everything else behind, just riding. Some days it's just a nice chill, and some days it's a workout. So,
I agree. For me, it's when I can just let the stress of the world go and just get out there and hammer in the miles, whether it's a chill ride or if it's the days when I really want to get some work in.
Awesome. Thanks a lot, guys. That's
Thanks,
perfect. That
guys.
was awesome. Thank you very much, guys.